In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Maltiverse threat intelligence feeds into Splunk Enterprise Security. This integration is using the threat intelligence module in Splunk console, which allows you to integrate third-party intelligence. Let's go for it. First of all, let's log into Maltiverse.com and select Threat Intelligence Feeds in the left navigation bar. Now we can choose the feed we want to onboard, for example the malicious IP1. And then we can scroll down to the Integrations catalog, where we can select Splunk Enterprise Security amongst all the available technologies. The next page will show you the detailed instructions with the values we need to paste in Splunk to correctly set up the feed. In another browser tab, log into Splunk console and select the Enterprise Security application. In the menu, click on Configure, Data Enrichment, Threat Intelligence Management, and you will see the Threat Intelligence Feeds menu. Click on the green button named New and select Line Oriented, and an emerging dialog with a formulary will be displayed, where you can set up the Maltiverse feed that you want to onboard. Please copy and paste one by one the values provided in the Maltiverse tab to this formulary. Name. Description. Type. URL. Weight. Now let's move to the next tab named Parsing, where we can continue configuring the format of the feed so Splunk can parse it properly. Please take into account that we are just skipping the fields that have a default valid value. So move directly to the following. Fields. Skip header lines. Finally, let's move to the next tab named Advanced. Intelligence File Encoding. Now we have completed the formulary, and once we click on the Save button, Splunk will start retrieving periodically data from Maltiverse, and the correlation with all the log sources will start. A new entry will appear now in the list of threat intel list if we filter out by Maltiverse. Now it's time to verify that the information has been ingested properly. To do so, go to the menu Security Intelligence, Threat Artifacts, and you will verify that the data has been already loaded and ready to match against the log sources that you are collecting in your Splunk.